Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating prerequisites. Check that your iPhone model supports Esim and that iOS is up to date. Next, obtain the carrier's QR code, activation code, or open the carrier app. This is required to provision the Esim. Once you have that, go to Settings, tap Cellular, then add Cellular Plan to start scanning or enter details manually. Move deliberately. This first step links the carrier credentials to your device and prepares the phone to once done scanning or entering SMDP Plus details, you'll see the Esim profile begin to install. Wait for download complete. You should name the plan so you can tell lines apart. Use concise labels like primary or travel. Make sure you choose which line is for cellular data and which for voice. You can enable dual SIM mode if supported. If you need roaming, toggle it now. These configuration choices matter because they determine billing, data priority, and how your iPhone handles calls. To finish, verify signal bars and carrier name, then place a test call and send a text. If the plan shows but there's no service, restart the iPhone first, then re-scan the QR or open the carrier app to confirm activation. Make sure airplane mode is off and the Esim is enabled under cellular plans. If problems persist, contact the carrier for provisioning status. As a last resort, reset network settings, but remember you'll lose saved Wi-Fi passwords and VPN configs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.